विजन पॉइंट में आप सभी का स्वागत है। क्या आप अपनी इंग्लिश बोलने की क्षमता को निखारना चाहते हैं? क्या आप इंटरव्यू में आत्मविश्वास के साथ इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहते हैं? अब आप सभी के सपने होंगे साकार, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग अब आपके सागर शहर में, क्योंकि अब आपकी सफलता ही हमारा लक्ष्य है। हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज भूपेंद्र सिंह, फाउंडर एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर Vision Point. Because in the worlds where communication is key, mastering the English language can open door to endless opportunities. And for the first time in Sagar City, Vision Point is excited to introduce a groundbreaking spoken English program that goes beyond traditional learning methods. We combine international teaching methodology with an engaging blend of music, dance, drama, and entertainment activities, so make learning English not just effective but enjoyable. Vision Point learning pattern is trusted by over 12,000 organizations worldwide, including prestigious universities, government, and top employers. Our methodology has to set global standard of English language learning, helping millions achieve their academic, professional, and personal goal. With more than 3.5 million people regularly following this approach, you can be confident that because you are in a good hand. English is the language of international communication, dominating fields such as politics, science, media, and arts. And it is also language of social interactions and entertainment, making an essential language in today's globalized world. A strong command of English is not only enhance your career prospect, but also enrich your personal life by allowing you to connect with the peoples from different cultures. So now question is, why is English so important? So just think about it. You walk into the Threadly restaurant and the waiter greets you in English. So what you can do? Or perhaps you watch as your colleagues at work receive promotion because they are confident and fluent in English during the presentation. These are moments when the importance of English become clear. And it is not just about vocabulary or grammar. It is about expressing yourself, connecting with others, and seizing opportunities. Learning English open up a world of possibilities. Whether you dream of travels into a new country, settle abroad, or simply connecting with people from around the world on social media, English is your passport to a richer life. Even if you never leave your hometown, English can bring the world to you. So at the Vision Point, we believe that practice is the key of mastering any language, but we also know that finding the right practice partner can be challenging. That is where we come in. Vision Point is both an offline and online English learning and public speaking academy that connect you with the experts over the phone calls. Here, you are free to make mistake, to speak from our hearts. No one will judge you. Instead, we will provide with the feedback you need to build confidence and fluency. English is not just a language, it is a way of life. It is dynamic, constantly evolving, and crucial of success is today's world. Whether you are preparing for the important interview, aiming to impress your daily interaction, or simply want to grow personally and professionally, learning spoken English is a very must. At the Vision Point, we believe the quality over the quantity. That is why our seats are very limited, ensuring that each student receives personalized attention and a unique learning experience. So don't miss out on these golden opportunities to invest yourself and your future. And most of the important that, and remember this, we are not a magician or sant. We are believe in hard work, smart work, dedication, and the power of self-belief. So what are you waiting for? Visit our academy today for a counseling session and take the first step toward mastering the English language. And remember that don't let hesitation hold you back. Secure your admission today and start your journey towards fluency and success with Vision Point. Your future is waiting. Are you ready for embrace it?
रिपब्लिक सागर मीडिया को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें, और आप हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियो को देखना चाहते हैं तो आपको उसके लिए घंटी जरूर दबानी पड़ेगी, ताकि आपको सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन समय समय पर मिलती रहे। रिपब्लिक सागर मीडिया पर जो भी वीडियो आएगा वह सच की कसौटी पर कसकर ही आएगा।